And line up checklist, please.
Line up takeoff runway.
21 full length.
21 full length, TCAS.
TI.
PAX 1 and 2. Off. Line up checklist complete.
9271, wind 310 degrees, 6 knots, variable between 270 and 350 degrees. Runway 21, clear for takeoff.
Eurowings 99271, cleared for takeoff, runway 21.
Tower.
So you are ready?
I'm ready.
This is great. Takeoff. You have control.
I have control. Manflex 58 SAS, runway auto thrust blue.
Thrust set. $100 knots.
Checked.
V1. Rotate. Positive climb.
Gear up.
Gear up.
Nav. Oh, better. Thrust, climb, I blew auto thrust.
Good afternoon, Eurowings 90271, we're passing 2100 and we're climbing flight level 380.
Eurowings 9271, radar contact.
Thank you.
Is it okay if I switch off the engine anti-ice?
Yeah, fine. Wow.
Yeah, the speed limit is done in 0.8 miles, so I think we're good in just a second. 0.4, 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Oh.